Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how can you actually trade in with other players. Now there's multiple ways to trade in. You can trade in stuff with other players, or you can trade in stuff between you and yourself actually. So I'll show you how you can do both the two ways. So the two ways you can actually do, the first way is trading in by yourself. It's basically when you over here go navigate to Garage, and from Garage you're going to go on to trade in. And then from trading, if you have like 5 rare items, you can trade it in. If you have 5 uncommon items, you can trade it all the 5 into a rare item. If you have five rare items, you can trade them all into very rare items. Okay. If you have 5 very rare items, you can actually trade them into an import item, and so on gone, and so it goes. Okay. This is how you can trade in. As you can see, select an available the rarity, then select 5 items that you would like to trade in for a new item of that rarity. So this is basically how you can actually do the rarity. I'll show you how you can do in blueprints. As you can see, I'm going over here, and then I'm going to you put in all my blueprints that I want to trade in, and then after that I'm going to click on accept, and then click on yes. And as you can see, I got a new import wheels, okay? And the same thing goes in core items and tournament items. So this is how you can trade in by yourself. Now, trading in with other players is basically if you're in a party with other players, you can actually trade in stuff with others. And like, let's say someone wants my Fennec and I want his titanium boost. I'm going to give him my Fennec, and then and he's going to give me my titanium boost in return. So how you can do this actually when you're in a party, okay, over here. Down over here, you're going to find your friend's username. Okay, when you're in friend's username, you're going to click on the box over here, and once you click on the box, you're going to click, and then you're going to have multiple options. One of them is going to be trade in. Now, one thing you need to know is that you cannot trade if you bought the game off of Steam. You can actually trade in, no problems. But if you're one of those free-to-play players, you have to buy something in-game for us to something in-game with currencies. So basically, the rocket pass, a blueprint, anything else. But you gotta spend first real money. Then after that, you can actually trade in with other players. If you do not spend real money on the game, you cannot trade in with other players. So yeah, guys. But the trade in by yourself is actually works normally. So yeah. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.